Okay guys, here's my new Lionel Fastrack railroad crossing signal I got today. This signal's got a bell when the train enters the block, and then also it's got LED lights in it. They're very bright and works really well. I'm going to demonstrate here how it works. When the car enters the block, the lights come on, and when it gets out of the block, the lights go off. See how that works? And we're back in the block. Out of the block. Back in. You can hear the bell ringing. Out of the block. Back into the block. This is the other side. We head through here out of the block. It quits working. And then here's the block. It works. Out of the block. Back into the block, and it works. Also, I got a switch here where I can turn the bell off. Okay, now when the car enters the block, it like comes on just the lights. Go out of the block, come back into the block, works again. Works really well.